Chicken lollipop is a popular and delicious appetizer made from chicken wings. It's usually deep fried and served with a flavorful dipping sauce. Here's a basic recipe to make chicken lollipops. For the chicken lollipops: 1. Chicken wings, 10-12 pieces. 2. Salt to taste. 3. Black pepper to taste. 4. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 5. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 6. 1 tablespoon red chili sauce or hot sauce. 7. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 8. 1 egg. 9. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 10. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 11. Oil for deep frying. For the dipping sauce: 1. 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 2. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 3. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. 4. 1 tablespoon honey or brown sugar. 5. 1 teaspoon vinegar. 6. 1/2 teaspoon garlic paste. 7. Salt to taste. 8. Optional. 9. Chopped green onions or sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the chicken wings. 1. Start by cleaning and preparing the chicken wings. 2. You'll need the drumette and wingette portions. 3. Discard the wingtips or save them for making stock. Make the marinade. 1. In a bowl, mix together ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, red chili sauce, vinegar, salt, and black pepper. Marinate the chicken. 1. Add the chicken wings to the marinade and coat them well. 2. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. 3. You can refrigerate them for better flavor penetration. Prepare the batter. 1. In a separate bowl, beat the egg and mix it with all-purpose flour and cornstarch. 2. You should have a smooth batter that's thick enough to coat the chicken. Coat the chicken. 1. Dip each marinated chicken wing into the batter, making sure it's coated evenly. Fry the chicken lollipops. 1. Heat oil in a deep frying pan or pot. 2. The oil should be at a medium-high temperature, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. 3. Carefully place the coated chicken wings into the hot oil and fry them in batches. 4. Don't overcrowd the pan. 5. Fry the chicken lollipops until they are golden brown and crispy, about 6-8 minutes per batch. 6. Make sure the chicken is cooked through. 7. You can cut into one to check for doneness. Prepare the dipping sauce. 1. While the chicken lollipops are frying, you can prepare the dipping sauce. 2. In a small bowl, mix together tomato ketchup, soy sauce, chili sauce, honey or brown sugar, vinegar, garlic paste, and salt. 3. Adjust the flavors according to your taste. Serve. 1. Once the chicken lollipops are cooked and crispy. 2. Remove them from the oil and drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. 3. Serve the chicken lollipops hot with the dipping sauce on the side. 4. You can garnish with chopped green onions or sesame seeds for added flavor and presentation. Enjoy your homemade chicken lollipops as a delightful appetizer or snack.